Cleared your CA exams? Congratulations. This is a huge milestone and you should be incredibly proud of yourself. All those late nights, endless revisions and sacrifices have finally paid off. You've just conquered one of the toughest and most respected exams in the country. A true test of dedication and perseverance. But now comes the big question. What's next? With your CA qualification in hand, the world suddenly feels full of possibilities, but also a bit uncertain. The CA qualification opens up a world of opportunities, from traditional roles to exciting new fields. But choosing your path can feel overwhelming, especially with so many options. Do you join the corporate world, start your own practice, or perhaps explore something completely different? Maybe you'll aim for a government job, or even launch your own startup and become your own boss. Each path comes with its own unique rewards and challenges, and it's important to find what truly excites you. I've guided hundreds of CAs through this crucial phase, and in this video, I'll break down every major career option for a freshly qualified CA in 2025, so you can make an informed decision. We'll look at real-world examples, expected salaries, and the pros and cons of each route, giving you a clear picture of what to expect. Stick around till the end for a secret high-growth career path that's just emerging and could be perfect for you. Let's dive in. The most popular route for new CAs? The corporate job. It's the launchpad for thousands of fresh chartered accountants every year, offering a structured entry into the world of business and finance. Think sharp suits, high-rise offices, and a fast-paced environment. This is the default for many, thanks to ICI campus placements and big-name recruiters. The energy is infectious, and the opportunities seem endless. Roles range from internal and statutory audit to financial planning, taxation, risk management, and compliance. You might find yourself working on complex audits, helping companies optimize their tax strategies, or even advising on regulatory matters. And for those who love big deals, there's always the world of mergers and acquisitions, where you'll be part of high-stakes negotiations and strategic decisions. Top recruiters include the Big Four, Tata, Reliance, and a host of other industry giants who are always on the lookout for fresh CA talent. Global investment banks like Goldman Sachs, as well as consulting firms and tech companies, also hire CAs for their expertise and adaptability. Why do they want CAs? Because you bring analytical rigor, financial expertise, and a problem-solving mindset to the table, skills that are invaluable in today's business landscape. Starting salaries range from 8 to 15 lakhs per annum and can go even higher for rankers or those who land roles in investment banking. The pros: structured learning, mentorship, global brand names, and exposure to best practices in the industry. You'll also build a strong professional network, gain access to exclusive training, and work alongside some of the brightest minds. The cons: long hours, sometimes monotonous work, and navigating complex corporate hierarchies. You'll learn a lot, but remember, you're building someone else's dream, not your own. The pressure can be intense, and work-life balance is often a challenge. This path is perfect if you want stability, fast growth, and a solid foundation for your career. It's a great way to learn the ropes and make a name for yourself. But if you dread the idea of office politics, rigid routines, or a 9-to-9 grind, maybe it's not for you. Some find the environment stifling after a while. Ready for something more independent? Let's talk about starting your own practice, where you call the shots and build your own legacy. Starting your own CA practice is for the bold and entrepreneurial. It's a leap into the unknown, where you trade comfort for the thrill of building something truly your own. It's about being your own boss, building a firm from scratch, and creating a legacy that reflects your values and vision. Every decision, every client, every success is yours to shape. Today, practice goes far beyond audit and tax. Think GST advisory, international taxation, business valuation, startup consulting, forensic accounting, and more. The opportunities are as diverse as the clients you serve. The freedom is unmatched. You choose your clients, services, and work culture. You can design your day, your team, and your approach to work, creating an environment where you and your people thrive. But the early years are tough. No fixed salary, constant hustling for clients, and handling every aspect of the business. You'll juggle marketing, operations, and client service, often all in a single day. You'll see friends in corporate jobs with steady pay while you reinvest every rupee. There will be moments of doubt, but also moments of pride as you watch your practice slowly take shape. But if you persist, the rewards are huge. unlimited earning potential, building an asset, and making a real impact on clients' businesses. Your growth is only limited by your ambition and effort. Tech is your friend. Embrace cloud accounting, digital marketing, and automation to stand out. Leveraging technology lets you serve clients better and scale your practice efficiently. This path is for self-starters with strong networking skills and resilience. Building relationships and staying connected is as important as technical expertise. It's a marathon, not a sprint. But at the end, you'll have more than a career. You'll have a legacy. A firm that stands as a testament to your vision, hard work, and perseverance. Want prestige, job security, and a chance to serve the nation? Consider government and PSU jobs. CAS are in demand in regulatory bodies like SEBI, RBI, and CAG, as well as PSUs like ONGC and NTPC. Entry is through competitive exams and interviews with attractive pay scales and extensive perks, housing, medical, pension, and more. The biggest pro: unmatched job security and work-life balance. The trade-offs: slower career progression, bureaucracy, and less explosive salary growth compared to private sector roles. This path is ideal if you value stability, social respect, and want to use your skills for public good. It requires patience and comfort with a structured system. But the peace of mind is hard to beat. Teaching and content creation are powerful, often overlooked options for CAs. Remember the teachers who made your CA journey possible? You can be that mentor for the next generation. Traditional academics, becoming a professor, offers stability, intellectual fulfillment, and great work-life balance. But the real revolution is online. YouTube, Instagram, LinkedIn, and EdTech platforms let you reach thousands. Create courses, build a personal brand, and generate passive income through ad revenue, sponsorships, and consulting. The pros: flexibility, independence, and the satisfaction of helping others succeed. The cons: you need to be a good communicator, learn digital marketing, and income can be unpredictable at first. But if you love teaching and have a knack for simplifying complex topics, this path offers impact, income, and freedom. Ready to disrupt the market? Launching a startup is entrepreneurship in its purest form. As a CA, your financial expertise is a superpower. Most startups fail because they don't understand cash flow or compliance. Opportunities abound in fintech, edtech, and beyond. Build platforms, apps, or tools that solve real problems. You don't need to code. Partner with tech experts and focus on your domain knowledge. The journey is a roller coaster. High risk, high reward, and immense learning. The upside: potential to create massive wealth and impact millions. But it's not for everyone. You need vision, resilience, and a willingness to risk stability for a shot at something big. If you have a big idea and the drive to pursue it, your CA background gives you a real edge. Here's the secret: emerging path. Become a virtual CFO, VCFO, and AI automation expert. Many startups and SMEs need CFO-level guidance but can't afford a full-time hire. As a VCFO, you provide strategic financial advice to multiple clients remotely. Supercharge your value by mastering AI and automation. Help clients implement tools that streamline finance, reporting, and compliance. You're not just a finance expert, you're a tech-savvy consultant, future-proofing businesses. The perks: total flexibility, high earning potential, charge per client, and the chance to work with exciting companies worldwide. You're building a global, digital-first practice, often as a one-person firm. This is the future for CAs who want freedom, impact, and to stay ahead of the curve. That's the roadmap: corporate, practice, government, academics, startups, and the secret VCFO path. Your CA qualification is a superpower. It unlocks countless doors. The best path is the one that fits your ambitions and personality. Reflect on what excites you: stability, adventure, building something new, or making an impact. Share in the comments which path excites you most and why. If you found this helpful, like, subscribe, and share with fellow CAs. This is Comica Dosti, helping you decode commerce with clarity. Your journey starts now. Choose boldly.